Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don't react to the opposition party over the incident wey shele for Benin Airport on July 18, 2024. The governor Konya said the opposition not believe in education and also believe in the youth. He can call on the people to look well on who they want vote for. Governor Obaseki yarned this one for the People's Democratic Party Secretariat for Benin City for one inauguration of Youth Wing for the campaign organization. Oga Obaseki can stay here and say,
they don't believe in education. No, they don't believe in education. That means they don't believe in the youths.
Yes,
Can you vote those people who don't believe in you? No. So I won't say much. The rest is up to you. But you know, we just kept quiet last Thursday. Yeah. If they try what they tried last Thursday again in the book, Nigeria will go. And I will leave it. You don't behave like that. We are past that stage. If you want to be, you go to court, you wait for the court. I mean, we're not animals. The fact that we kept quiet, I told all of you, you are the one that have something to lose. Do not mean that they should take us for granted. Yes. Those people who did it, they refused to arrest them. Rather, they want to come and arrest our boys. Let them try. And they will know that those people are different. You understand? Yes, we don't threaten, but we act. Let us respect ourselves and build a peaceful country. Nobody has any predominance of violence. Nobody has it. I know your capacity as youth. Yes, but please be calm. Please be calm. We are the ones that have something to lose. They have nothing to lose because they don't care.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ujisoli, TMC TV News.